Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Flashfood account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Flashfood account's password, firstly open your Flashfood application. The official page of Flashfood will appear on the screen. Click on Continue with Email. You can also continue to your Flashfood account with Google as well as Facebook account. On the next page, enter your email address associated with your Flashfood account. To reset your Flashfood account's password, click on Forgot My Password. Enter your email address to receive a reset link and tap on Reset My Password. Check your email to reset your password. Open your Gmail and tap on the mail sent by Flashfood and click on Reset My Password. Enter a new password to change your password. Confirm your password by re-entering it. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not and tap on Reset Password. This is how you can reset Flashfood password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.